Hi, this is Don Simone. I'm an implementation consultant with the Mayer Group, and today I want to talk about 3 of the new features with Acumatica 23R2, focused around CRM and cases as well. So to start with, they've greatly simplified the process of importing leads and contacts into CRM. From within the marketing list screen that I have up here, they've added this upload from file icon, and I'm just going to quickly show you the spreadsheet that I have with some basic information about a lead and a contact that I want to create. Over here in the type column, you can tell it which of those things you want to create. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm creating 1 lead and 1 contact from within this file. And I just have some basic information about each of these people that I want to add to this marketing list. So if I come here to upload the file, this just follows the standard Acumatica file upload. That type field I had already showed you, and that's where it decides whether or not to create a lead or a contact. And now, within my marketing list, I see I have 2 things. One of them is a lead and the other is a contact. If I click here, it quickly takes me over to the lead record or the contact record, and you can see that those have been created for me. So here's the contact that I created from the first row. The next thing I wanted to show is sales territories. So this is a new feature within Acumatica 23R2. If I go here to sales territories, I can see the territories that I have set up. If I click any one of these, it takes me into the sales territory and shows me a list of all of the states that are within that territory currently. If I go back to the lead and contact that I just created, you can see that those have been assigned to the appropriate territory automatically. So that was not in the spreadsheet, but because of the state that I put in, this one is Florida, it went ahead and assigned it to the Southeast territory. And the contact that I created got automatically assigned to the Northeast territory because they are in New Jersey. The last thing I wanted to show is the new feature within the Cases module that allows you to quickly and easily create a return order from within the case itself. So I've created a new case here, and within the action menu, I have a new option to create a return order. And if I click that, there's a very simple wizard that only has 1 question. And from here, I can very quickly and easily create a brand new return. And you can see from the Relations tab that it's related back to the case, and vice versa. From the case, you can see the related sales order that is a return. So those are some of the new features in Acumatica 23R2. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thanks very much for your time.